Hey guys, it's Katelyn. Welcome back. Today we'll be doing a quick Vinyasa flow for beginners. We're going to get started, all fours, tabletop position. Once you are in your tabletop position, we're going to start by lengthening our wrists. So slowly walking our fingertips back towards our knees, going as far as feels comfortable. Maybe that's halfway, maybe that's all the way. And we're just going to breathe here for 2 breaths. Inhale. And exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Slowly releasing that, walking our fingertips back towards the top of our mat. And then we're going to lengthen the back of our wrist. So taking our right hand, placing the back of our right hand on the mat and applying light pressure. Feeling a nice lengthening through the back of that right wrist. 2 breaths, inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Slowly releasing that, shaking it out. Switching sides, same thing now with the left hand, placing the back of the left hand on the mat and applying light pressure. 2 breaths here. Inhale, and exhale. And inhale, and exhale. Slowly releasing that, shaking it out. From here, we're going to move to our first down dog, tucking our toes, rising our hips up, allowing our shoulders to be down our back, neck loose and released. And we're going to breathe here for 4 breaths. If you'd like, you can pedal your feet, starting to lengthen the back of your legs. Inhale. And exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. One more breath, inhale, and exhale. From here, looking forward, walking our feet up to meet our hands for our forward fold. If you would like, feel free to grab some blocks to give you a little bit of extra height, allowing a slight bend in your knees, torso forward, allowing our spine to be relaxed. Shaking your head yes, no, maybe even allowing your upper body to sway right and left. And then when you're ready, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, coming all the way up. And exhale, bringing the palms together over the mind, heart, or soul. And just taking a moment here, 3 breaths, allowing ourselves to feel grounded. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale, and exhale. One more breath, inhale, and exhale. From here, inhaling the arms up, and exhale, coming back into our chair pose, slightly tucking the pelvis, sitting our hips back, engaging the glutes and the abdomen. 1 breath here, inhale. And exhale, bringing our palms together over our heart, transitioning our weight into that right foot, slowly turning our left foot slightly out, and then stepping it back for warrior 1. Right knee bent, left leg straight, extending the arms long. And we're going to breathe here for 4 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Last breath. Inhale. And exhale. From here, bringing our arms to cactus, staying here for a breath, or if you like, adding a slight back bend. One breath, inhale, and exhale, coming back up. From here, we're gonna transition to a high lunge. So bringing that left foot so it's parallel to the right, rebending that right knee, breathing here, 2 breaths, you got it. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Circling the arms down, hands onto the mat, and we're gonna go through our vinyasa, which I will walk through. So from here, with both hands on the mat, we're gonna step back our right foot. From here, you have 2 options. You can either stay in your high plank, or you can place your knees down. Either way, you're gonna think about bringing your shoulders over top of your wrists, and then as you lower to the mat, thinking about keeping your elbows close to your ribs. Here we go, all the way down. From here, you have a couple more options. So you can either come into your Sphinx pose, or you can push to up dog or cobra. Whatever feels good in your body. Breathing here, inhale. And exhale, then lowering back down. And then from here, again, 2 options. Either pushing back to your plank, or if you would like, pushing back to your tabletop position. Whichever one you choose, we are then going back to our down dog. So I will show you pushing back to the plank into the down dog. And then back. And then we're gonna take a breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Looking forward, stepping or hopping to the top of your mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, coming all the way back up. And exhale, bringing your palms together over your mind, heart, or soul. Reconnecting to our breath here. 3 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And one more breath. Inhale. And exhale. From here, we're going to do all of that on the other side. So inhaling the arms up, and exhale, coming into our chair pose, slightly tucking the pelvis, engaging the glutes and the abdomen as you sit your hips back. Breathing here, 1 breath, inhale, and exhale. Bringing your palms together over your heart, transitioning your weight into that left foot. Now slightly turning the right foot out as you step it back, coming into warrior 1, extending the arms long. Breathing here, 4 breaths. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Last breath, inhale, and exhale. Bringing your arms to cactus, staying here, adding a slight back bend, 1 breath, inhale, and exhale, coming back up. From here, transitioning to our high lunge by moving our right foot so it is parallel to our left, keeping that right leg straight, left knee bent. Breathing here, 1 breath, inhale, and exhale. Let's do 1 more, inhale, and exhale. Great job, guys. Moving into that vinyasa that we just learned. Circling our arms down to the mat. This time, stepping our left foot back. Reminder, option to do it from a full plank or knees down. Shoulders over wrist, all the way down. Exhale. Inhale, rising up to Sphinx, up dog, or cobra. Exhale, release down. Inhale, pushing back to our down dog. One breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Looking forward, stepping or hopping to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, coming all the way up. And exhale, bring your palms together over our mind, heart, or soul. Again, reconnecting to our body, noticing how we're feeling, noticing how our body is feeling, noticing the heat that we've created. Taking 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. From here, we are inhaling the arms up and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Placing our hands on the mat, slowly walking our feet back to a down dog. And we're gonna take one final vinyasa from our down dog, coming into our plank. Remember, knees either on the mat or off the mat. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, release. Pushing back into our down dog. Taking 3 more breaths now in our down dog. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Bringing our knees back down to the mat, and we're gonna push back into a well-deserved child's pose. Releasing the chest, the head. Noticing how our body is feeling. Noticing all the heat that we've created in our body today. Enjoying that heat that we've created. And we're gonna take 4 breaths here. Really feeling our lower abdomen and our lower back expand with each inhale, and then deflate with each exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And last breath, inhale. And exhale. Slowly rolling up 1 vertebra at a time. Head being the last thing to come up. And then making our way to a comfortable seated position in the middle of our mat. Taking a moment with our eyes closed, back of hands resting on knees, palms facing up. Imagining that you're being grounded through your sits bones and slightly pulled up by the crown of your head, creating space in your spine, in your torso. And we're going to breathe here for 6 breaths together, allowing the breath to fill the entirety of our body. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more breath. Inhale and exhale. Taking 1 more moment here in this stillness before we end our session. Thinking about all the great work that you did today during our session. Thinking about the muscles that we used and created heat with. And taking a moment just to show your body some appreciation and love for all that it does for us. And with our next inhale, we're going to bring our arms up above our head and inhale and exhale. Palms together over your heart. Taking this moment to thank yourselves for showing up to today's practice. Thanking your mind and body for supporting you. And thanking the universe for all the opportunities it has presented us with thus far. We will now take 1 final breath together to end our session. Inhale and exhale. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the practice, I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to be on the lookout for more content, and I hope you have a beautiful day.